raptor. And all female raptors, wow, pretty excited to come down. Anne's talents are huge, and she is an unmatched huntress.
As I know, Susie here, she weighs 4.7 kilograms.
Like fish or even snakes. In fact, they specialize in catching venomous sea snakes. And look at that powerful bird. Let's give Nelson a round of sapphire. Take a look.
Wow, nice catch.
No sapphire.
Now while walking around the parks in Mandai, to remember to look up in the skies.
It looks like she's very excited to head back home. So there you go, Sapphire. But first, I'll mention something about silent flight.
Yes, correct. Oh, I didn't know that. That's very interesting. But it was silent dancing in that room. So let's give them a big hand. Let's take with Soren.
Our southern-crested caracara. Alright, so this is an unusual bird of prey. He uses his long legs to forage the ground and walk around skillfully.
And not only that, these birds, they are very curious and inquisitive. Very intelligent animals as well. They will leave no stone unturned. Like I mentioned, they also feed on carrion. So these birds, they are very opportunistic scavengers.
Highly good sense of smell.
So that means that when there is a carcass, the turkey vultures are the first on the scene of a large carcass like the one right away.
Now let me tell you a story about Genghis. The plateau to Thailand for the winter. But along the way,
From being released back into the wild. So right now he is a special member of our raptor family. And don't you think this strong survivor definitely lives up to his name? The mighty Genghis! How about a lot of round of applause for our little latest
now these birds boat in less than a few minutes. Once widely found in Africa, these birds.
Ladies and gentlemen, enter the Senators Vulture! Our heavyweights from Europe. Smaller groups, except when they are breeding and having chicks. So our large male right there, he uses his strong gripping feet and hooked beak to tear apart Tarski, feeding on large chunks of flesh. Our planet. And if we were to lose these amazing birds, we will be losing a part of our family.
Cannibals are giants of the parrot family that neutralizes the toxins. Interesting, right?
Absolutely. No upset tummies.
Okay, 400 alien species like us, each other. Now, Higgins is actually three vocals are actually working.
In this basket.
Let's take a look.
Where? Oh, she looks so big. Peekaboo, I see you. There you go. Kathy, go back. What is it? Okay, you want to explore.
Still checking whether she's coming first, okay? So listen carefully. Wow, very good.
Name. Amigo is name.
Well done, Emily. Thank you to help. And let's say permanent home with us. Ready, catch.
Alright, let's watch how we do this. Ready? And wait, there you go. Up. And away. Royal Indonesia. Some villagers believe that if hornbills fly over the village, now female hornbills are usually very fussy.
So this is where the feeding happens, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. And then when she
he loves it.
The birds to find. Now this helps to bring out their natural behavior.